I got you. All right, Lump, there he is. Lump, we're getting them ready. The big pizzas are coming. We're getting ready. Look at Lump go. Oh, nice. This thing got overloads on it. All right, there we go. We got 5-0 in front of us.
Take your time.
Oh, Lord. Mercy.
We got the police escort.
We got a police escort.
Look at him driving over the line. Should I pull him over?
Pull over.
Give me the microphone and set it to PA. Over there, knock that sign off.
Walk up there to Windy City. Show you like you put your arms out like you pumped up. Get a Lump. Look at that whack. Oh Lord, it's Windy City pizza, baby.
That's right, folks.
Yeah, that was special. Oh, look at the pies.
She's got it.
Yeah, like that.
Come on.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Come on, look at the pies.
Where's shoes?
Where's shoes?
Shaking it in that.
Oh, look at the mullet. The mullet is flying. Is that number 2? Is that number 2? Oh, look at that. Come on,
yeah. How high are you?
No, I'm only about.
Show up a little bit here, Lump. Show off a little bit here. The camera's rolling, baby.
I'm situated up off of 42nd Avenue.
Oh boy, did you just see what I just said?
Up against the back of
Look at this guy. Holy smokes.
And I can see
that was a big full piece.
All the way over to Hovercraft.
Oh my God, he just ate a whole piece right there. Did you see that?
It's unbelievable.
Holy shoot, 8. Can I say 8? Can you say 8?
I think it's just the luck of the draw. That's all.
Look at him, man. Dude, he ain't even. Oh, gone.
Yeah,
look at that.
Tuned right.
Done? Oh my God.
Go with shoes. Don't mess with me, shoes.
Shoes are going down. Going down.
Shoes is going down. Shoes is going down.
He's gonna eat 8 pizzas.
Halfway ground plate. You know, that's what I started out with, and then I moved it.
I never seen nothing like this. This is unhuman.
Backing up in the backyard.
Unhuman.
Oh. I could hear him then I bought a ground plane kit for it.
And he don't even like that hot. And that's hot. Oh, God bless America. Here he comes, baby. He's going to be 8. Smelling money. Smelling money. Oh.
Get it on your knee.
Money. Oh, snap.
Oh no.
Rescue 911.
Smell it. Smell it.
Oh man, maybe not 8.
I was doing it on purpose.
Table 4.
Look at Lump's plate, man. Oh Lord, have mercy. That's a deep dish. Look how deep this dish is.
It is deep, yeah.
I know. You can always stand. You can shake it down. You know, like that hot dog guy does. He shakes it down.
Oh God.
Give me a smile.
The hot dog, the Chinese, the Japanese.
Oh, what's going on?
Yeah, he eats it and he goes.
That's a skinny guy, dude.
Yeah, shake it. Shake it down.
Oh, shake the food in?
Be on the winning team. There it is.
Get on the winning team. Shake it, shake it. You gotta shake it, Lump. Get up and shake it.
You can't.
Do the lumpy look.
Oh, now that's a lot of exercise, though.
I don't need to shake it.
Dude, this is pizza number 3 just came in. Pizza 3 just came in. Shot number 2.
We should have get number 3.
Dude, we got 2.
Smell it. Smell it. Smell it. Smell it.
Here, let me go get the 3.
Smell it. Pizza number 3. We just started on number 4. We just started on number 4.
Are you hungry?
No, I'll look at the menu, but if you need any help with that, let me know. I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Number 4. Just started at number 4, folks. He
Better get the money ready.
Oh, damn.
Better get the money ready.
Listen, he called me out, man. He called me out, bitch. What's that shit? Call me out for it, what's this all about, buddy?
It's all about
It's all about pizza, man.
Apparently, it's all about a mother and antenna there.
Look at that. You can smell the finish, yeah. Holy smoke. There you go, Lump. You did good. You did good. You ate some pizza today, Lump. I'm proud of you, man.
Very good.
So you ate more than I ate, boy. Right on up. No.
Okay. Unfortunately, tomorrow shit's gonna look like a big wad of cheese.
Yeah. You gotta drink this thing down so fast. You want to? Oh yeah. You want to see if you can out drink it?
Yeah.
We don't want that.
Hold on, it's only a-
You gotta
You want to drink me?
Just hold it there. That's just for pictures. Got it. Hold it. Not yet.
Come on, come on.
Hang on.
I'd like to get a picture of shoes doing that.
Wow.
Oh,
What's number 4? Please set the bar at number 4.
That's the
Set the
Lumpy
bar.
like that.
Set the bar at number 4.
Yeah.
hang on.
All right, we'll get 40 out of there. Now that we don't know whose arm that is.
Oh, now somebody
Except
use
for
my
that
camera
tattoo.
and take a picture too.
Oh, wait.
Johnny, you work it? Just turn the thing on.
Shoes, you should really be holding that.
Hold the buttons on the
Behind that
buttons
beard,
on the top.
because you're the man that made it happen, man. Let him just hold your beard for a second.
Yeah, let me just hold my beer.
There, that's what we want.
Alright then.
There, that it is, there it is, there it is. That's
There you go, love.
that's real love. There. Thank you, thank you.
Pop it. Oh, yeah. Come on, Lump. Down it, baby. Not too quick.
Let it fizz a little. Shake it around, shake it around. Let it
Shake
fizz.
it, shake it, shake it.
Shake it. It ain't even dissolved yet. Everybody else good on the Alka?
Yeah.
Of course you're cool.
Hell yeah.
The cool spy.
See that movie? You guys start bleeding, I'll get you the tourniquet.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
man. Quick.
I should have got it when he's taking a
Pull the
pulse.
bullet out before it cools
I
off.
should have got it when he was taking his pulse. Yeah. Well done. Watch out for that guy with the mullet. Oh, that's good shit. Dude, he's
How you doing, kid?
Have you ever seen what this guy does?
You got your collar back at least. Holy shit. Things are looking good. Just walk around. Take a run.
That's messed up as you're zooming in.
Guys, come on.
Oh, no. Well, hey.
Oh!
Nothing to see here.
Nothing to see here. Nothing to see. World champion at work. World champion. It's okay.
Making room for the next floor. All right, never mind.
No,
Keep going if you need to.
Everything goes on with everything.
Yeah, movie
Oh.
star. What we did,
Oh man, it is pizza, dude.
Oh, shit.
Don't.
What?
It's a big shot.
What? Oh, no. Oh,
That's
don't
the linguiça. That's a linguiça right there.
Where's the
That's
linguiça?
linguiça right there.
Was there fish on that?
You better not, man.
Oh, man.
All that red stuff is pepperoni,
Pepperoni?
and the blonde is the dough.
There might be a tomato right there.
Is that a tomato? Yeah, okay.
over there, did you? You can make a pizza out of
Lump
it.
is gonna dry. You ready, Lump? Alright, Lumpy. Pretend like you're starting it.
He's laughing. I can't sit behind this wheel, dude.
Oh, you can't sit behind me.
Too big.
Oh, dude.
Too many pizzas.
Oh.
I'm stuck.
Shit, he's stuck, dude. He's stuck. Help. Get the fucking ladder. You alright, Lump?
Fucking stuck.
You stuck? Lumpy, are you stuck?
Oh, fuck, I am.
Alright, hang on.
No, you can stay there
It's alright, it's alright. Just
There's a
bake it.
knockdown
Just
below.
bake it. Just bake it.